3 more human skulls found at Lodge Building in St. Thomas.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Demolition crews have discovered 3 more human skulls at the old Loyal James Lodge Building in St. Thomas. This has pushed the total number of human skulls found since Sunday to 6. The demolition exercise started on Sunday, May 8, but was halted after human remains were found in the building. Head of the Area 5 Police, Assistant Commissioner Gary Griffiths, said that the 3 additional human skulls were found in boxes on Tuesday, May 10.
Subsequently, I think yesterday it was that 3 other skulls were found in 3 separate boxes. So a total of 6 skulls and other human remains are found. So the operation in terms of demolition has been suspended. The municipality was told we are seeking to keep people out. Forensic people will be coming in and the investigative process has commenced.
The police do not yet have any theories or leads into the bizarre discovery. ACP Griffith says they are in the early stages of the investigation and that no immediate ownership of the building has been established.
Well, the investigation is in its embryonic stage, so we have not gone that far, and it's an old building, and on the surface, there's no immediate ownership that has been established as far as I know. So we have to go through all of that, and people who have control over the building before we can answer some of these questions.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!